Hi, welcome to this YouTube channel. Today I am talking about a strange smart TV on Amazon. Let's see what features are there. Are you looking for the ultimate home entertainment experience? Look no further than the Amazon Fire TV 55 inches 4 Series 4K UHD Smart TV. Let's dive into some of the amazing features of this TV that is available on Amazon. With support for Vivid 4K Ultra HD, HDR10, HLG, and Dolby Digital Plus, you can bring movies and shows to life like never before. Scenes leap off the screen with brighter colors and a clearer, more vibrant picture compared to 1080p Full HD. And with the Fire TV Alexa voice remote, you can easily find your favorite apps, movies, and shows, check the weather, sports scores, and much more, all with a simple press and ask. Watch what you want, when you want. With over 1 million movies and TV episodes available to stream, you can access your favorite subscriptions like Netflix, Prime Video, Disney Plus, and more, all in one place. Plus, with live and free TV, video games, and music streaming capabilities, all your entertainment is available in one convenient place. And the 3 HDMI inputs make it easy to connect your cable or satellite box, video game console, or audio equipment for enhanced sound. Fire TV is always getting smarter, with new Alexa skills, features, and voice functionality added all the time. You can even use Alexa to control your smart home devices without interrupting your show. And with games on Fire TV, you can take your gaming to the next level with Amazon Luna or download games from the App Store. Amazon Prime members can even play a rotating selection of games for free on Luna. With subscriptions to Amazon Music, Spotify, SiriusXM, and more, you can build your home theater and enjoy high-quality audio for movies, gaming, and music. And with the EARC port or Bluetooth connectivity, you can wirelessly pair Echo speakers, soundbars, or AV receivers for an even more immersive audio experience. Available on Amazon with free Prime delivery, a 4.9 rating, and free returns. Get yours today. There is a link in the description where you can find out about this. Thank you very much for watching the video. See you in another